Oregon Governor Kate Brown on Wednesday announced new health and safety measures for staff in healthcare. They must undergo weekly COVID-19 testing if they can't verify they've been vaccinated.
This new safety measure is necessary to stop Delta from causing severe illness amongst our first line of defense, our doctors, nurses, medical students, and frontline healthcare workers.
I mean, this thing is spreading like wildfire.
Andy Van Pelt is the executive vice president of the Oregon Association of Hospitals and Health Systems. He is not at all surprised by the governor's announcement. In fact, he welcomes it.
The virus isn't slowing down. So as fast as we can get these programs in place, testing protocols figured out for these populations, the better.
The Oregon Nurses Association also likes the idea of weekly testing for unvaccinated healthcare workers, calling it a reasonable and sensible approach, which respects the individual choices of the workforce while also protecting public health. But as we found out, not all nurses are on board.
I'm outraged by it.
We spoke to a registered nurse of more than a decade by phone. The unvaccinated RN wanted to remain anonymous out of fear of retaliation from management at the Oregon hospital where she works. She told us she does not think she and her colleagues should be forced into weekly testing or a vaccination.
And I thought that, I had the right to decide what goes in and out of my body. And I feel by them enforcing, and I mean, like if they just said you have to do this or get testing, like the worst of two evils is get the testing. But even the tests aren't 100% accurate.
Maybe not, but Governor Brown believes a combination of testing and vaccinations can do wonders.
Vaccination and weekly testing in healthcare settings will ensure Oregonians can safely access healthcare and healthcare workers can do their jobs.
This new weekly testing or vaccination policy goes into effect September 30th. This will give employers time to prepare for implementation and give the unvaccinated healthcare workers time to become fully vaccinated. You can find more on this topic on our website, kgw.com. Reporting in Southwest Portland, I'm Mike Benner. Now back to you.